All right, number 29 here. Given the coordinates of the endpoint and the midpoint of the segment AB, find the coordinates of the other endpoint B. All right, so this one's a little interesting here because we have B, endpoint B. We don't actually know what that is. So in a way, they gave us the final part of the answer. They gave us the midpoint. So this is totally opposite of 29 when you use your midpoint formula. You're going to have to work backwards and then set it equal to your answer right here. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. The way I usually teach this is let's label this with X, and then we'll use that X. So to find the midpoint of AB, you would go one of the X's plus the other X, divide by 2, and then that's going to equal the X piece of your midpoint, which you already have. So I'm going to put a 2 over there for the other side. Okay, and then to start and solve that equation here, you would multiply both sides by 2. Would cancel out your denominator of 2, and you'd just be left with x plus 6. And then that would equal 4. And then to finish out, you would subtract 6 from both sides. That would get you negative 2. So this point here, B, we have now the x piece here. It's going to be 2 comma and then something else. Okay. Now to go find the y, you do the same exact thing here, except now you use these y values right here. So I'm going to say y plus negative 4 divide by 2, and that's just the midpoint formula right there. And then I'm going to say, hey, I already have the y answer right there. Apparently it's 4. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll times both sides by 2. That'll get us y minus 4. I'm just going to, instead of doing plus and negative 4, I'll just put y minus 4. That'll equal 8, and then we'll add 4 to the other side. That'll get you 12. Okay, so then the other point here is negative 2 comma 12, and that's how you're going to work backwards on those right there. So that is a little bit of a tricky problem right there, so might need to try that one once or twice more right there.